Welcome to Turkistan TV News. Germany urges United Nations Rights Office to publish Uyghur report. German Foreign Minister Annalena Baerbock called Thursday for the United Nations Human Rights Office to release a report it has compiled on the situation of Uyghurs in East Turkestan. ABC News. German Foreign Minister Annalena Baerbock called Thursday for the United Nations Human Rights Office to release a report it has compiled on the situation of Uyghurs in East Turkestan, so-called China's Xinjiang. Baerbock said in a video speech to the 47-nation United Nations Human Rights Council in Geneva that the global body needs more transparency. We encourage the High Commissioner for Human Rights to publish a report on the detention of members of Uyghur community, and we call on Beijing to allow unfettered access, she said. Diplomats in Geneva have said the report on the situation in East Turkestan, so-called China's Western Xinjiang province, has been ready, or very close to it, for months. United Nations Rights Chief Michelle Bachelet's office has acknowledged delays in the release. İlteber from East Turkestan TV News reported.